Classification of routing protocols. The routing protocols can be broadly classified into two: IGP and EGP. The IGP stands for Interior Gateway Protocol and EGP stands for Exterior Gateway Protocol. An example of EGP is BGP, which is the routing protocol of the Internet. The IGP is commonly used within the enterprise, data center, or service provider environments. The IGP is further classified into two: Link State Routing Protocol and Distance Vector Routing Protocol. The OSPF and AUS fall under the Link State Routing Protocol. RIP version 1, RIP version 2, RIP Next Gen, IGRP, and EIGRP fall under the Distance Vector Routing Protocol. The most commonly used IGP's protocols are OSPF and AUS. It acts as an underlay routing for most other protocols like BGP, MPLS, VXLAN, etc. The upcoming sections will cover more details about the protocol OSPF.